Hello everyone, welcome to the class. So hope you all are doing good. As I told you, I'll be back with something very incredible Diya activities for you. As you can see on my screen, what is there? Yes, why I have kept these empty toothpaste tube here and this jute string which is waste which we don't think about to use anywhere, and one scissor and cardboard is also here. Not to. How can we use this empty toothpaste tube to make something very incredible which you never ever thought about it? So let's have a look what we are going to do it. Let's have a look on the material which is required for this incredible craft. As you can see already, few things are kept on my screen. Scissors we require. We require this empty tube. You can see here, this is the toothpaste tube. Jute string. Here is a cardboard of any color. We need Fevicol squeezy. We need this paper strings. We need pencil. We need this piece of jute. You can find out anywhere at home, might be get it very easily. And we need a ring. This can be a cardboard ring or this can be a wooden ring. I was having the wooden ring, so I'm using this. Otherwise, you can take a cutout from the cardboard as well. And some decorative stones, as you can see on the screen. So let's have a look how to do this activity. Let's start. You know what we are making today? This is visible on my screen. Yes, we are making this wreath. This wreath is made with jute strings, and as I showed you the material, and this is actually for the wall decoration, and this decoration you can use it for the doors also, and you can use it as a gift purpose also. So let's have a look how to start this activity. This is very easy to make and very beautiful. First we need to wrap this, means we need to cover this with the jute string like this. So first we need to apply a Fevicol here and start covering it up with this jute string like this. So like this we need to cover it whole ring. It will be covered very easily, but you need to be very careful. There should not be gap visible in between these strings while wrapping it up. So it has to be very neatly wrapped around this round circle which we have. So like this, you need to cover this whole ring like this. As you can see, after covering the wooden ring or cardboard ring, it will look like this. So the next step is the decoration part of this ring. So we need some decoration items. So as I told you, we are going to use this toothpaste tube for making some decorative piece. So how can we use this? Let's have a look. This we are going to use for creating this flower. You can see this flower on the wreath. So this is made by this empty tube. This is made with this. So how can we do it? What we need to do is, let's keep this aside. We need to open it, fold it like this, and we need to draw a half leaf like this, and then I'm gonna cut this. Yes. After cutting, this will be like this. Then after, we need to cut one more time to get this hollow. So then we're going to draw one more line and cut it from inside part like this. So we are going to basically use the outer part of this leaf like this. So then, as we have a jute, so we're going to stick around it and then create a flower. It's a very easy technique. Now let's have a look how to paste jute on this. First you need to apply a Fevicol at the back of your this petal, and you need to use a semi-dry technique for this. Means you need to leave it for, let it dry for 2-3 seconds, then you're going to paste on the jute here like this. You know that semi-dry technique is very useful to paste anything. It sticks faster and dries very soon. So then after you need to cut these edges little bit inwards like this. Then like this. Very easily you can take this flower like this. You need to cut it properly to give a finishing to the petal, so it will look nice like this. So from here also you need a little bit more trim like this. So our one petal is ready. Like this I have already prepared like this. So now we're going to start making up the flower. Let's have a look how to do the next step. The next step is to create this center portion. How to do it? That we need this paper dory. It's very easy. Just apply a bit of Fevicol in your finger, on your finger, and start twisting it up, rolling it up like this to create a spiral like this. And then apply a very less Fevicol. Keep on rolling, just like this. You can see like this. It's all your choice how much big spiral that thing you want, that much big you can make like that. So as you can see on my sample, I've used this spiral rings in the center of the flower, and I have already prepared these two also for getting the other decoration thing to be done. So let's have a look how to create this flower. So we need this ring, and you can arrange it according to your choice. So I want this flower to be arranged here, and I have arranged one flower. If you want 2-3 more to be arranged, that all up to your choice. You can arrange more flowers over here. So like this we can do it. So let's start fixing them up. So this will be fixed with the Fevicol only. Easily it will be fixed like this. Then just turn it. Just apply the Fevicol as I told you for the semi-dry technique to be used. So it will make your sticking fast. Like this. Need to hold it for 2-3 seconds. So it will stick like this. So then when it's sticked properly, then you need to paste it here like this. Like this we're going to paste. So let me paste it. Let's stick it. As you can see, it's not stick till yet. It's a little wet. So I'm sticking it here. So press it for 2-3 seconds. Then let's do something else while it's drying. So let's prepare some other decorations for this. For the other decoration, we need a cardboard for these spirals. As you can see these spirals, how do we make it? We need a cardboard and we need to cut small and big circle. So like I have already cut it here, and then I'm going to wrap the jute string around this. So let's have a look how to create this kind of spiral. So first you need to apply a Fabicol here in the center and then just roll it up around this. Then apply some more Fabicol like this. We need to keep on rolling around the circle like this. Then you need to cut it from here and then you need to stick it like this. So this spiral is done. So I have already prepared spirals for sticking. Now you decide where to stick. You can stick 3 spirals, you can stick 2 spirals, all up to your choice. So now I'm going to stick this here. That to keep it for semi-dry, apply a Fabicol in the center and then leave it for drying for 2-3 seconds. Now after drying, this is here. Then I'm applying this bigger one over here and then I'm setting this smaller one here like this. Let them fix. So while that it's fixing, we're going to start decorating it. So I have some decorative stones with me. I have choose this green here in the center and then we're going to stick these paper string spirals over here. Smaller one. So now let's have this one also. Now after fixing them, we need to decorate them also. Green stone, you can choose any other color also, any of your choice, like this, this much is ready. So this much is ready. Now the next step is as you can see these rough jute strings I have used for decoration. How do we get these? So very easy. So you need to just pull out few strings from the jute and then just create these fringes. Cut them like this. So I have few of them with me. So let's create small, big, small, any you can get it out from that. Start doing it like this. Just make them like this to make it more attractive, more realistic look we can give it with this ball. Or you can say it will enhance the beauty of this like this. Now I'm going to fix it. Fix it up here. So here also we'll use the semi-dry technique. And now we'll go like this. Then you can use this paper dori also. Just open it. So already, if you can see, this is twisted one. You can just open it like this. How to make this spiral stiff? You just apply a bit of a favicol on this paper dori and then wrap it. So you'll get this. And later we're going to open these curls. Like this. Again, I'll show you. Just apply this much favicol and then like this, roll it on the paper string, and then this paper string you just need to wrap around the pencil and just press it and then take this out. The curl is here. And again, a little bit of favicol, just cut a bit from here as it shows extra, just like that. I'm using this white color paper dori as well to make this yellow and brown to be more complementing to each other. Like this, I'm opening this paper dori spiral. Again, I'll show you applying this much favicol on your finger and then roll it up on the paper dori. Then this paper dori you need to wrap around the pencil like this tightly. Hold it for a second and then you can see the magic, the curl like this. Then this curl I'm going to fix it with this. See, it's extra, so cut this extra portion and then fix it here. So this is done. The next step is to decorate around the flower. As you can see in the sample, I have put this dori also to decorate around this flower. So let's have a look how to wrap this dori. So again I'm using this paper string from here. You need to fix it with the favicol like this and then wrap around this. I'm taking only 2 times. You can take more than 2. You can make 3, 4 like this. You just cut it. It will be easy for handle the dori like this and then like this. Now again you need to be very careful about the distance you're leaving between these yellow strings. This has to be equal, otherwise it will look so off. So like this you need to be fix this dori. You can take 3 rounds also like this, or you can do only 2 as I have taken in this. This you need to fix it. Next, like this we need to stick very carefully, very neatly actually. So sticking is done. Now let's have a look the decoration part. So I'm going to do decoration with the stones. Like you can see here, I have choose these pink color stones and green white like this. So it's all up to you what kind of decoration you want, so that you can select for your own. So here I am using this pink color stone. both the sides equally like this. Then I'll be using green over here, then green over here. Like this. So now this is done. So now let's have a look how to hang this. You can use it like this also, or you can make a hanging also. So for that hanging we need a jute string, cut like this much only, then put it like this. So we need to identify the center of this red here. I'm applying Fevicol both the sides and leaving it for some time to get it, like 3 minutes. So we need to press it. So it's almost dried up. So let's have a look. Our wreath is ready. Now the last finishing touches to just make these petals a little more towards in to give a little more attractive look. So it's done. So like this, you can use this jute for making some other things also, like you can make tea coasters. You can see these tea coasters. And you know what? I have used this jute on the CD. And one more beautiful thing I wanted to show you with this jute, that is this. Know what is this? This is napkin holder. So you can create napkin holder and mats and this kind of coasters to make a whole set for your dining table. And there are many more items to make with jute. So for this I've used jute and this paper dory and make this. So you can see here, and you can use this paper dory to create this decorative small thalis for Raksha Bandhan or decorative rangolis like that. So this is, I have used plastic sheet. We get it that OHP sheet, or sometimes we get this plastic sheet on the wedding cards. So I have cut it and I have used it for making this decorative small piece of thali for decoration. So hope you like the class. So next time I'll be back with some more creative activities for you. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye. See you.